spaces of one of the best engineering colleges in Bangalore. Where? Surprise, surprise, it's the canteen. Let's get in and check it out. I'm at the canteen and it's super crowded. Let's go and talk to a few students here. Hi, a group of you. Some of you have got your dabbas and some of you are eating from the canteen. So what's in the menu in the canteen today?
All the items are there. Many items are there. It's like very good.
What is the one thing you don't like about your canteen?
It's like always crowded.
What is latest on the gossip scene today?
Huh?
What are you chatting about? What's the gossip scene?
But girls,
About girls. Now that sounds interesting. So give me one gossip about a girl today.
maximum girls are in a white dress. White dress.
Even you're in white.
Yeah. They are looking very beautiful, charming.
So today's gossip for in MVIT is how the girls in MVIT are looking charming because of their white dress. Let's go and talk to a few girls. Okay, you all just got a compliment from a boy there. He said you all look very charming in white. So what do you have to say about that?
Today we are celebrating the Pearl Day. So with the juniors. So I would say thanks. That's it.
Well, white girls look always beautiful in any color, whichever they are.
Okay, so if a guy, what have you done if a guy is trying to pataw you in college?
Well, let me see the way he pataws, then I'll comment on it.
We have someone who is a regular canteen visitor, and not only that, he's created a record by eating 52 pani puris in 1.5 minutes. So how did you manage to do that?
Just I have to win some money and all that. That's why I wait. Parsley, that's what.
Okay, so how much money did you win?
500 rupees.
Oh my god, you made 500 rupees for eating like yummy pani puri.
Yeah.
Well, I'm at this one place where no girl has entered before. I'm in the boys' hostel. So it's time for me to catch them red-handed or actually see what they're up to. Hi. So, what do you all do to have fun in the hostel?
Anything.
And whatever we do exactly, we can't tell in the front of the camera. That's right.
Okay, now I just saw security run into your room. What was happening there?
I'll tell you what happened.
Who has the dirtiest room over here?
Dirtiest room. 108. Okay, mine.
So why don't you go and show me why don't you come and enter me to your room? Officially, welcome to the dirtiest room of MVIT hostel. So Amit, tell me, how do you manage to keep your room so dirty?
So it's exactly very tough to keep so dirty. We have to practice a lot.
His drawers are clean, his drawers are empty, but he wants to just scatter the things all around the place, but not keep them in the drawer. आपको अपने वार्डन के बारे में क्या कहना है?
हमारे वार्डन बहुत भले आदमी हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं, वो हम लोग का बहुत केयर करते हैं, सच में। हमारे वार्डन सर बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम बॉर्डर्स को बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, अच्छा खाना खिलाते हैं, बहुत प्यार। बाहर से कोई आता है तो हमारी हॉस्टल से एक बार निकाल भी चुके हैं, बाहर से कोई आता है तो हमारी रक्षा भी निकाल भी चुके हैं।
What is your best moment in the hostel?
जब हमको हॉस्टल से बाहर निकाले थे।
अच्छा, so when your juniors came in order to break the ice, what did you ask them to do?
We don't take ragging. We take a lot of ragging from the juniors.
All the juniors saying, क्या किया? What did you make them do?
MVIT salute. Tell him to do that.
Okay, juniors, you all have to do the MVIT salute for the camera. The juniors doing the MVIT salute.
Oh my mighty seniors, sir, I am your student junior. Please tell me your name, place and branch. Hail MVIT, hail MVIT, hail MVIT.
This is what I call hostel life. Now, I repent not being in the hostel and just staying with my parents and being pampered all the time. Okay, he is the security. You're the security.
This guy doesn't open our gate when we come late in night, when we go to eat food outside. This guy.
ये क्या? वो आप ये आपके ऊपर एकदम इल्जाम लगा रहे, कह रहे हैं कि आप सुट्टा पिएंगे तो आप गेट खोल देते हैं।
The most funniest moment, I mean everyone would have experienced, is that coming late at night and making him convince to open the door, because whatever way we convince, he never understands our language and we don't, and whatever he says we don't understand.
Okay, so anytime when you have to stay out the whole night in the park, sleep in the park.
Yeah,
Once I came from the ISKCON and the guard of the Unit 1.
Someone came from ISKCON at 12 in the night?
That was Sticks, not ISKCON.
I really went to ISKCON and I came back in the night at 11:30 and the guard didn't open up. We all took our sweaters and blankets and went to the GV outside, and there I stayed whole night with all the mosquitoes and all the things.
Valentine Day
On Valentine's Day.
in Brigade Road.
Oh my god, on Valentine's Day, 4 to 5 boys stay together on Brigade Road. Now that does not sound very good.
Actually, we were searching for girls. Actually, we were searching for girls.
On Valentine's Day itself.
Okay. Why were you searching for girls on Brigade Road when there are enough girls in MVIT?
No, that's not the matter. You don't know about the girls. You should go to the girls' hostel and then ask do they communicate with us or not?
Okay, so because they don't communicate, you go to Brigade Road. Any luck by until now? His luck on Brigade Road was Lakshmi. It's matcha time now. I told these hostel boys to actually prepare an original song on MVIT. Now I have shortlisted 3 of them. Let's listen to what they have composed. Hi, so why don't you start with your song?
This song is dedicated to all MVITians. MVIT चलो 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 लेक्चर हॉल में बैठो तो फिर सबसे पीछे हो लो खिड़की खोलो ठंडे हो लो मोबाइल गेम खेलो हो जाए जो क्लास खत्म अटेंडेंस अपनी बोलो पर याद रहे तुझे हर दम नंबर कभी लाना नहीं कम हर सेमेस्टर में मस्ती करे हम और एग्जाम में लगा दे पूरा दम ये MVIT चलो 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 जब भी कोई लड़की देखो उसके पीछे हो लो हेलो बोलो नंबर उसका ले लो हो जाओ जो सेटिंग तो फिर पिक्चर लेके चलो पर याद रहे जो तुझे हरदम बन जाए ना तो वो तेरा सनम ये केएल सहगल वाली स्टाइल में
MVIT चलो जब भी लड़की देखो पीछे हो लो हो जाए सेटिंग तो पिक्चर चलो पर याद रहे तुझे हरदम बन जाए ना वो तेरा सनम टाइम पास से भर जाए जो मन तो फिर मिलेंगे अगले जन्म
Well, the MVIT hostelites believe in one thing: united we stand. So they decided they're going to share the trophy. So this is a trophy from News 9 to all of you MVIT hostelites. I danced with them, I attended class with them, and I had lots of fun with them. That was my one day at MVIT. It's time for me to leave, but do tune into the next episode of Campus Reporter because who knows, the institution I cover might just be yours.